Hi, we're going to talk about segment addition, angle addition, and integer operations today. Um, so here we go. All right, so if you look at these little rulers, can you figure out how long the segments are? Well, this first segment goes from 3 inches to 8 inches. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inches long. The other one goes from 0 to 4, so it's 4 inches long. If we put those segments together, how long would the new segment be? Well, 5 plus 4 is 9, so the new segment is 9. That is all there is to segment addition. So here we have two examples. The first example shows a segment HJ that is 22 units long. We know this part, IJ, is 10 units long. So how long would HI be? Well, 10 plus 12 is 22. So HI would have to be 12 units long. See if I can write on here. Never tried that. Yes, perfect. I'm really bad at writing with the trackpad, but we'll do it. All right, so for the next one, we have segment CE. And just to review, segment CE, you would write like this. CE with a little line over the top. Okay? Segment CE is 23 units long. All right? Segment DE is 11 units long. I'm getting a little segment bar on top, is 11 units long. So how long would CD have to be? Well, CD would be something plus 11 equals 23. If we add 12 to 11, we get 23. So CD is 23. Okay. Ooh, gotta erase. All right, so here we go with another problem. All right, so for this one, JI contains point I. So if you think about what that would look like, you have segment JI. J and I would be the endpoints. Whoa, I just messed it up. JH, because it says segment JH, contains point I. So somewhere on JH is point I. So it looks something like this. JH, the whole thing, is 16 units long. IH is 11 units long. So how long is JI? So what do we add to 11 to get 16? We add 5. So JI is 5 units long. All right, try the next one. Actually, the next one gets a little trickier. You can try it yourself and pause the video, or you can just watch. Segment MA is 9 units long. So we have a segment, it's 9 units long. MA. Segment TH is 3 times as long. So will TH be longer than or shorter than MA? If it's 3 times as long, that means it's basically like 3 of the MAs. So we've got a pretty long segment. 3 times as long would mean 9 times 3, which is 27. So segment TH is 27 units long. All right, let's see if we can erase the whole screen. Good. Okay. This one is kind of a challenge. So I'm going to redraw it on another sheet of paper and go over it with U. We have, let's see, H, I, J, K. We want to find segment IJ. We know IK is 12. We know HJ is 17. And the whole thing is 21. So let me escape from this and pull up a camera. Okay, so here's that problem drawn on another sheet of paper. And you have to look at it in multiple different ways. If we look at just, let me try to find something. Just those, is that enough information to figure out anything? Both of these distances are for or contain IJ, but they don't give us enough to figure out IJ. But if you look at this one, 21, the whole thing is 21, and this part is 12. So we need to figure out what HI would be to add to 12 to get 21. You could do that even using subtraction, 21 minus 12, or you could use what you already know. HI is 9. And we can use that same idea using the 21 here and the 17 here to figure out what JK is. So JK would be 21 minus 17, so JK would be 4. But the question is, what is IJ? Well, we know the whole thing is 21, HI is 9, and JK is 4, which means together just these two pieces is 13. So what do we add to 13 to get 21? Or what do you subtract 21 minus 13? 13, 14, or sorry, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 8. So IJ is 8. All right.